Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove and clean the filter in your candy washing machine Rapid Pro 4. So, in the first step, put something under your washing machine because there is a risk that the water comes out. In the next step, find a flat tool and try to gently remove the cover of your filter. Now to take off the filter, just turn it to the left side, then pull it up. As you can see, there are our filters, so now you can clean it or something. To put it back, just turn to the right side, in the same way like before. Just close it, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.